Hiya, out for a walk. I'm going to practice a hand drill and make some primitive fishing, or try and get some primitive fishing materials. Hope you enjoy and keep it short and sharp till we get to my location. Catch you again. Just collecting some materials for the old tinder bundle. Catch you again. Oh, I don't know, you know, mate. No. Round two. Whoa. Come on. Oh, I see it's moving. Come on. Nah. Straight through?
Wait there, I haven't seen it.
Right, off the carbon. A bit this time, Baz. Come on. Have we got it? Oh, I think we have, mate. Yes, get in it. Hang on, whoa. Put that down.
I'll bring it to them, mate.
Right. No, I've got plenty of time now. Watch this build now. Oh, don't have to panic, mate. See all this dust that we didn't throw away earlier, yeah?
Yeah, wait a minute.
This just all builds it up. Yeah? Get that hot rock.
In the wilds.
Get the ember going nice now, eh? Before you put it in there. Got loads of time. Whew. Right, bird's nest. I just hope this is going to be big enough, mate.
Well, it's not an actual bird's nest, just in case people think.
Right, so it's simply just put that in the middle of that. Closer to the fire now.
Wrap it up in here.
That's still the coal. Huh?
Yeah, you need some more sort of stuff to wrap it. Do that waving.
There she goes, mate.
Someone's coughing.
And then birds. Put it this way. I'm having a panic now if I've done that. Oh, come on, mate. Come on. Don't die on me. Don't die on me. Do not die. Oh, no. Oh, Finn's right, Baz. That's still the coal from the thing.
Yeah, no.
Oh, there we go. Oh, you. Later is that bag. Oh,
It's the stuff.
put all this in here. It's this. There you go.
Wait. Put more of them little shavings on. See these, mate?
There we go. Hey! Alright, I'm going to make some fish hooks. I'll show you what I've got. So I've got pine pitch, hawthorn spikes, various spikes, some wood, shells, some roots, oil, some cattail. Just show you a pot that I've made this with. So first time I've done this, looked a lot of it on YouTube. I'm going to give it a go, and basically this is what I'm going to be getting into this year, is primitive fishing. Obviously with that at the back, I'm going to give it a burn. Right then, so I'll just keep getting back when I've done a bit more. Like carved this one already. Anyway, waffling. See you in a bit. What I've got there is the shell with a bit of cattail in. Get some oil in there now. Let it soak in. Can you see that? That cattail is going to act as a wick, and I'm going to use that to help me make this fish hook. It's going now. I'm going to use that to help me heat up my pine sap and get this stuck together. It's just a shell, oil and cattail. So if you just look, I don't know if it's picking it up, it's just off centre. That's the front, it's coming off there. I'm going to try and get that in. It's caught in there. Just heat it up again, make sure that's in there. See, get back to you in a minute. That's one.